In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Autofit in a column in Excel. This is a simple technique that helps you quickly apply the correct values across multiple cells based on the pattern you already have in your sheet. To begin, look at your spreadsheet and locate the starting data in column A. Specifically, select cell A2, which should contain the initial number or the first part of your value sequence. Take a moment to confirm that A2 is truly the cell you want to start from. If your sequence begins somewhere else, you may need to select the first cell of that sequence. For this demonstration, we will assume A2 is the correct starting point. Once you have selected cell A2, the next step is about finding the small handle Excel provides for quick copying and filling. Move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the active cell block. You are looking for a tiny square or grab handle at that corner. It is easy to miss if you move too quickly, so slow down just enough to position your mouse precisely on that corner. Now Excel responds to that exact location. Wait until your mouse pointer changes into a sharp, thin black cross icon. This change is important because it tells you that Excel is ready to use the fill feature. If your cursor does not change, reposition your mouse back to the bottom right corner and try again. This icon is the visual cue that you are in the right mode. When you see the black cross icon, you are ready to fill cells. Click and hold down your left mouse button firmly on that black cross. Keep your grip steady and make sure you still see the cross icon while the mouse button is held. This holding action tells Excel you want to drag the selection to other cells and copy or extend the sequence. At this point, you can guide Excel to the target area. Drag your mouse pointer downward or across columns, depending on how far you want the data to go. If your sequence should continue in the same column, dragging downward is the usual choice. If your layout requires the values to extend across columns instead, dragging across is the right approach. As you drag, you should see Excel highlight the cells that will be filled. Take a moment to check that the highlighted region matches the cells where you want the result. After you have dragged to the correct set of target cells, you will release the mouse button. Release your mouse button to let Excel populate your matching data values. In most cases, Excel will recognize the pattern from your starting value and the sequence you already created, and then it will apply the same logic to the filled cells. Finally, review the filled area to confirm everything looks correct. The filled cells should show the expected values continuing the pattern consistently. If the result does not match what you intended, you can undo and try the fill again, adjusting the starting cell or the range you drag across. But when everything is aligned, this method is fast and very reliable. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.